Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to find the Swift code of the Banco De Oro bank. So here to begin with, first of all you need to come here on bdo.com.ph, which is the official website for Banco De Oro. Over here you just have to simply look for this search icon here on the top. Now you need to type Swift code here. If you are able to find any of the articles here, you just have to go through those articles in order to get your Swift code. If this method doesn't work, you will have to scroll down and here you will find the contact us section. They have given a bunch of different phone numbers on which you can just simply call and try to get the Swift code as per your city. So you can also just mail them on this email address and get your Swift code. You can also use this website, which is basically made for you to finding the Swift code of any of the banks in the world. So here come on bank.codes, select your country, which in our case is Philippines. After that, simply just select your bank, which in our case is Banco de Oro. Then simply select your city and it is going to show you the Swift code as per the details that you have mentioned here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.